Fish on. Oh my God, Ryan! Oh, oh, he absolutely flew out of the water. Yeah. Master angler, smallmouth bass, Q Lake Lodge. Check that out. People come up here for these and they get way bigger.
Oh, that's a tank, man. Eastern Region bronzebacks.
Look at that giant bass. Throw in plastics. Shoreline's close to deep water. It's midsummer right now. But you pull that off the shore, and as soon as it gets to that mid-range depth, these things are absolutely annihilating them. This place is well known for numbers of walleyes.
It's a series. There's Quesnel, Manigataugan, Happy. All of them are full of fish.
Chunky walleye after chunky walleye. Midsummer walleye fishing. Target them on deeper humps, points, reefs. Big walleye swimming in here too. Every one of those things out here has fish on them. Another nice walleye, check it out. Q Lake Lodge in the Eastern Region, one of the top walleye and bass fisheries that we have. Come on down, the action is incredible. Walleye and bass. Look at his belly. Oh, that's 4 pounds and change if I ever saw one. Manitoba hot bite, get them while they're hot.
Manitoba, Canada's heart beats.